Hey guys, it's Miss Forster, and I wanted to come talk to you about the second part of the investing number one packet that you're working on with the 5 stocks on your birthday. So you should have already done step one here, where you have the companies, the ticker marks, and then the closing price on your 10th birthday. And so I want to help you kind of get through this track the prices area. And the first thing you would need to do is open up the stock tracker, which is the spreadsheet link right here. And this is what that's going to look like. So you'll kind of see everything, all your information here that you're going to need to fill in. You're going to see that there are 5 tabs located at the bottom that you're going to be using to look up different companies, and then a stock comparison here at the end. So the instructions then are going to refer you to open Yahoo Finance, which I already have done. So this is here. You used it earlier, so you kind of are familiar with that. And then it's going to say complete the following. In C1, write your first company's name. So I'm going to go to my stock tracker, and in C1, I'm going to write, or it could even be B1, just right here where the company name is. And I'm going to be researching Amazon. Okay, so when I go back to my Yahoo Finance, where it has the quote lookup, I am going to type in Amazon. And one thing I want to point out, please make sure that it is either NASDAQ or NYSE for New York Stock Exchange, because some of these other ones down here, like Mexico, I don't want stocks in Mexico and London. I only want the ones at the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. So I'm going to choose this one. And that's going to pull up Amazon for the current date. So right now it is April 4th, and this is what Amazon is doing on April 4th. We are going to be looking at what Amazon has done in its historical data, because we're going to be filling in the years that are listed here on your birthday. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my link. So I'm going to go back to Amazon. I'm going to just copy this link, and I'm going to paste it in here. That way I know you were in the right spot. And then we're ready to filter and start looking up our birth date. So we're going to click historical data. And right here is a time period. And so I'm going to put it about 4 to 5 days, 2 before, 2 after my birthday, just because if your birthday is on a weekend, obviously the stock market is not open and you're not going to find a date there. So I'm going to put in 10/13, I'm not 10/13, 10/10 or 10/11 of 2013 through 10/14 of 2013. Okay, so there's just a few days span there, so I'll at least get something. When I click done, it doesn't automatically update. I have to go over and choose apply. So I'm going to select apply. And so it looks like the stock market was closed on the 13th, which would be my birthday. So I'm just going to use the 14th. And we're looking for this number over here. That is the adjusted close price right here, 310.70. So that's going to go in 2 places. That's going to go here at the top, right? Right here where it says adjusted on 2013, and then it's also going to go as the first one listed here for 2013. So 310.70. That's a repeat. Now, this is year 2014. All you have to do is go back to the finance, click on the date, and change this from 13 to 14 and this area from 13 to 14. So both of these now are showing 14, done, and apply. So, they did have it on my birthday. So the 13th, so 306.45 is what I would put right here, 306.45. And then I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to change it to the 15th. And I'm going to research that. So this is just going to be a little repeat here. Don't forget to hit apply. I almost forgot there. All right, 548.90. Okay, 548.90. You can see Amazon's stock prices are soaring. Okay, we're going to go into 2016. I'm going to hit done and apply. And here we go, 8/29/28. Wow. 8/29/28. 2017. I only have 2 more years to look up for this one. 2017. Done and apply. 1,294. 1,002.94, and then 2018 is going to be my last one. So I'm going to change the date here. Done and apply. And we're just going to go with the 12th. So 1,788.61. 1,788.61. All right, so I have all of those in for the years that I've asked for here. Your charts are going to update automatically, so you'll see that, and it's also going to give you a portfolio value and as well as a chart return on investment, so how much you're making on your investment. Then I'm going to go down here to the bottom, and actually it looks like I'm in tab 2, so I'm going to name this Amazon, and then I just have one more to look up. Okay. And so instead of this one being Amazon, we're going to do McDonald's. Okay. And so I need to take this out since that's not the right one. It just got switched up. All right, so then I'm going to go back to my quote lookup here. I'm going to type in McDonald's. Again, I'm going to make sure. Oh, there it is right there. Okay, this is a New York Stock Exchange one. So you're going to make sure you get that one. Don't want to be in Berlin or anywhere else. We're going to go down to here, and again, we're going to edit this, so I'm going to put in just 10, 11. I'm going back to 13. Year 13 is the starting year that we're using. Make sure I apply that. So on the 14th, it was 79.66. Okay, so that's going to go here and here. Okay, I'm also going to go back and I'm going to copy this URL so you know that I actually did it. There it is. McDonald's is already in there. I put that in earlier. So 2014, going back in, changing my time period from the 13th to the 14th. Done and apply. So 79.68 in 2014. Wow, it was almost exactly the same. I'm going to go back in, change it to 15. And I don't know why I picked McDonald's or Nike or the companies that we've talked about, Amazon, 9401. You are welcome to pick whatever companies you want as long as you can view their stock prices and as long as they are NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. So feel free. I would pick companies that you like. I mean, obviously, I'm a big Amazon shopper. Okay, 108.20. 2017 and 18, and we're almost there. If you don't put it in the exact year, you're going to have to do a lot of scrolling. So 159.32. Oh, made a big jump there, didn't it? And then finally 2018. And apply. And we'll go with the 12th, so 161.79. All right, so it really took a jump here in these last few years. Again, your charts are going to update. Everything else is going to update here for you. I'm going to go down to the bottom and put in McDonald's. And then I had already did the other three. So I did McDonald's and Amazon with you here. And then I had previously done Netflix, Apple, and Nike. The nice thing about this is then once you go back to your instructions, so that's everything through here, there's a part 3 that says compare your stocks. And it says to click the last tab in the worksheet. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you what you're going to do in that tab. So back here, we're going to stock comparison. And this is nice, so don't mess with any of this because it should automatically update your value of your stocks and your return on your investment. So do not mess with any of that. It's set with formulas. So all you're going to do is you're going to select A2 through F8. So that's all of our information that we're going to want to put in our chart. I'm going to go to Insert and choose Chart. And it's going to probably give us some suggestions. Okay, so mine popped a line chart straight in, which is what we're going to want. If yours did not, if it would have given you like a column chart like this, and you need to just switch it, over here on the right side is where it's going to be at. So you're going to change that to line chart if it didn't. And then you just want to click and drag that down out to the side. And then you can highlight and change this. This is value of your stocks. And you're going to do the same thing over here. You're going to highlight, you're going to insert the chart. I'm about to run out of time. and then double click and change the date. So